a tiny splash. Woohoo! Splash! Oops, that was a big splash. Look, I made a muddy cake. My boat is ready. My boat is dancing. Look, they're dancing. Go, little boat, go. I love dancing in the rain. Catch the bubbles. Listen, squish, squish, squish. I caught a yellow leaf. Wow! The rainbow is dancing. Let's dance in the rain. Our little river is flowing. Yay! Look, they're floating together. My funny face looks so wobbly. My umbrella is dancing. The sunshine is back. I'm hopping on rainbow puddles. Wow! The clouds are dancing. March! Splash! March! Splash! March! Splash! March! Splash! My leaf is flying away. The rain was so much fun. Look, our flower is smiling. My shadow is copying me. We had the best rainy day. See you again soon. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to RunTime Kids. Bye-bye.